Hey everyone, and welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make informed buying decisions. Today we have two amazing robot vacuums that are packed with features to keep your floors clean. In the red corner, we have the Roborock S7 Max Ultra robot vacuum, and in the blue corner we have the Roborock Q Revo. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra robot vacuum is priced at $1,299, while the Roborock Q Revo comes in at $899. While both vacuums are on the higher end of the price range, the Q Revo is the more affordable option. Next up, let's talk about suction power. The S7 Max Ultra boasts an impressive 5,500 Pascal HyperForce suction, making it a powerhouse when it comes to sucking up dirt and dust from both floors and carpets. On the other hand, the Q Revo also offers 5,500 Pascal's extreme suction, ensuring a thorough clean on various surfaces. Now, let's compare the obstacle avoidance capabilities of these two vacuums. The S7 Max Ultra features Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance, which detects and avoids objects on the floor, ensuring a seamless cleaning experience. It can even suggest no-go zones automatically. Similarly, the Q Revo also excels in this category with its Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance, providing precise navigation and avoiding potential hazards with ease. Moving on to the mopping function. The S7 Max Ultra comes equipped with the VibraRise mopping system, which removes dried stains 30% more effectively than traditional robot mops. With sonic scrubbing at 3,000 times per minute and consistent downward pressure, it leaves less dirt behind than spinning mops. As for the Q Revo, it offers dual spinning mops with a spinning speed of 200 RPM and 30 water flow levels for customized cleaning. Both vacuums provide excellent mopping capabilities. Let's talk about the auto mop lifting feature now. The S7 Max Ultra's auto mop lifting allows it to vacuum carpets and mop floors simultaneously. It can differentiate between hard floors and carpets and will automatically lift and lower the mop as needed. Similarly, the Q Revo also offers auto mop lifting of 7 mm, ensuring that both floors and carpets are cleaned without any dirty streaks left behind. Lastly, let's discuss the additional features offered by these vacuums. The S7 Max Ultra comes with the RockDock Ultra, a convenient docking station that enhances the overall user experience. It also has an upgraded floating rubber brush that stays close to uneven floors, ensuring a thorough clean. On the other hand, the Q Revo features an advanced app and voice control, allowing you to control your vacuum with ease. It also offers PreciSense litter navigation with 3D mapping technology for precise mapping of your home. Based on online reviews, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra robot vacuum has been praised for its cleaning performance, obstacle avoidance, and customizable cleaning settings. Some reviewers have mentioned minor criticisms of the app and suggested improvements. On the other hand, the Roborock Q Revo has received positive feedback for its effectiveness in dealing with pet hair, quiet operation, and smart pathing. However, there have been some issues reported with the mopping function and the build quality of the vacuum and dock. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Roborock S7 Max Ultra robot vacuum and the Roborock Q Revo. Both vacuums offer exceptional cleaning capabilities, but the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.